No, do not come forward.
You love God!
Do not come
I
forward.
got a hand.
On August 7, 2025 at around 4:11 a.m., officers from the Hudson Police Department responded to reports of a man yelling at passing cars on State Route 91 near Stony Hill Drive in Hudson, Ohio. When the first officer arrived, he found the man walking in the roadway holding a hammer. Body cam footage shows the suspect ignoring commands before suddenly charging toward the officer with a hammer raised. The officer fired several shots, striking the suspect. Warning: some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm gonna hold the bathroom.
Front, motion detector. Alarm. Front, door.
Locked door. Looks good. It's locked. Yep.
Alarm. Front, motion detector.
So the alarm didn't trip until we opened the door, so he obviously didn't make any entry. Assuming it's the same
He
guy
did.
who did it.
I think he got through there.
You think he did?
It looked like the ATM was flashing.
Was it?
Yeah, I think the alarm.
Alarm.
Never mind. No.
I think he just smashed the window because the alarm would have went off. Or unless he climbed through.
And he's being barefoot.
Yeah, there would be blood.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Same guy. Guarantee.
I mean, what are the odds, right? What are the odds, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, go see if you can find him. I'll wait here for you.
All right. What a night.
I got him walking 91, just south of Stony Hill. He's got a hammer in his hand.
Copy 91 south of Stony Hill with a hammer in his hand.
Oh. Hey, sir. Stop right where you are.
Okay, put the hammer down.
Go! Do you love God?
No, do not come forward.
You love God!
Do not come
I
forward.
got a hand.
Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Turn over!
Turn over.
Turn over!
Suspect in custody. Okay.
Stay right there.
I'm bleeding.
Squads en route.
Are you at 91 in Stony Hill?
Don't move.
Okay. Don't move.
Do not move. Turn on your side. Okay? There we go. Turn on your side.
All right. Don't move.
Turn
Stay
on your
right
side.
there. What's your name? Go ahead.
What is your name?
Reholster.
What is your name?
Okay.
Sarge, take his gun. We're good.
Go ahead and have a seat in your cruiser, man. You stay right here. What's your name, buddy?
Carlos Warner.
Carlos Warner?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Warner.
Mr. Warner, please just still, okay?
Okay. I'm in pain.
All right, no.
Okay,
182 ready.
Why didn't you just drop the hammer?
Huh? Because you hurt these people.
Get the squad en route.
Shoot them his back. I'm bleeding.
Just breathe for me. Breathe for me, okay?
Okay, I'm trying. I love you.
Okay.
Just breathe for me,
It's a
okay?
misunderstanding.
Breathe for me.
Just go ahead and have a seat, John. Have a seat, man.
I'm gonna stay with this guy.
Okay.
Someone take care of my dog.
It's my best thing. Anything to anybody.
Okay.
Gary.
You shot me.
You got
Gary, it's important. Gary.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
Just relax and sit in your cruiser. Don't say anything, okay?
Yeah.
I'm dying.
How long is that squad?
I'm dying. I'm suffering.
Just stay right there.
Please help me. I love God.
Come on, Carlos. Stay with me, okay?
I'm scared.
Please, stay with me.
No, I'm going to die.
Stay with me, Carlos,
I
okay?
can't. I'm gonna die.
Breathe
Okay.
for me.
You shot me like 10 times.
Breathe for me.
I'm fine. You're hurting me. I'm dying. I know you're scared. Please help me.
182.
Please take the handcuffs off. It's killing me. Take them.
We'll take 2 squads. Get them up here.
Bring everybody. I'm going to die.
Copy, 2 squads.
Keep breathing for me, Carlos, okay?
I know you're scared, but you...
Where's it hurt, Carlos? Can you tell me?
Everywhere.
Okay.
182.
I'm dying. I'm going to die.
Hey,
I'm going to die.
okay.
Don't touch me. Please, don't touch me.
We'll take Stowe PD for assistance.
Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog?
Okay, Carlos.
I'm dead. Where's my dog?
All right. What happened? Where are you staying, Carlos? Where are you staying at?
I'm dead.
Where are you staying at, Carlos? You're not dead. You're talking to me.
Talk to me, Carlos. You're talking to me.
Where are you staying at, Carlos?
It's...
Stony Hill?
Yes. I was walking.
Okay.
I don't know why you shot me.
All right.
Please. Love God.
All right.
Okay, God's good.
Okay.
I don't want to die. I'm suffering. You shot me.
Okay. All
I
right.
love God. I don't
We're
want
with
to
you,
die.
Carlos.
I can't-
Who is staying with you?
I live alone.
You live alone?
Yes, the doors are open.
Wait
I
for
just
the
need
squad,
we
man.
just need to shut the road down.
Okay.
Please, I'm gonna die.
Car over here.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No, I'm gonna die. You shot me 10 times. I'm gonna die. I'm scared. Please help me. Please love me. Please love me. I don't want to die.
182 ready.
Go ahead.
We'll take mutual aid from Stowe PD
Okay, the handcuffs are
and Peninsula. We need to get 91 shut down. Notify 181.
I'm trying to relax. There are people here.
Copy, 448.
You got to turn around. You got to turn around.
Three or 409. 49, go ahead. Copy, you get traffic.
Yes.
Affirmative, I'm en route. Copy, there's going to be at 91 in Stony Hill.
Stay inside.
No!
No. Come on. Carlos, no.
No, I won't
Stay right there.
Hold still, pal. Come on, buddy.
Carlos,
Come on, buddy.
stop it.
No, I can't.
Come on, pal.
Wait for me.
Come on.
No, I can't.
Come on, Carlos.
I can't die.
Carlos, don't
Carlos.
move.
I can't
Please.
die.
Just stay right there,
No,
man.
I can't die. I can't die. Please. Hey, take the
Stay right there.
handcuffs off.
Stay right there,
Take
Carlos.
take the handcuffs off. My teeth are bleeding.
John,
I
man,
don't know
don't
why.
worry about us.
Don't worry about it.
You just have a seat.
Still 76.
All right, put my car sideways to block off the road.
I got the cones across the
Okay.
road. Squad's coming.
Kill me. Oh God. And he killed me. Please take the cuffs off.
Still 76
Go.
to the Hudson TV.
Okay. Explode the simulation now. It's enough. Go! Go!
491
Save me
in
from the
Georgetown.
thing.
Do you want 91 blocked off at Barlow?
Firm. Right here. Appreciate it.
Copy. Do you need any additional still units? Up to you.
I'm gonna die. I just live next door. I don't have anything in the bank. I don't have any money.
All right, Carlos.
I gotta walk
Copy.
to get
We're about to
food.
get on scene.
I didn't do anything.
John,
Copy.
go ahead and have a seat, man.
You guys keep going. Keep going.
All right, Carlos, they're here to help you, man.
All right, what happened?
Gunshot wounds to the front.
Nowhere.
Suicide?
No,
From you guys?
officer involved.
Okay.
He is combative.
No,
Okay.
let me go. I'm gonna die. Just take the handcuffs off, please. I can't talk.
All right, how do you want to do this with the cuffs?
Take the cuffs
Dude.
off.
If he's combative, let's just get him up on the cot on his back,
Okay.
Yeah.
and get him supine on the cot or on his side. He can be on his side if that's fine. So,
Yeah.
all right.
Put him on his side.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Where's he?
Ready? Yeah, we'll wait on.
Hold on, I'm gonna need another.
We're picking him
over
up.
here.
Yeah. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Another arm. There we go.
All right, let's get him up on 3. 1, 2.
Hey, 3.
All right, where's he shot? You know?
We're bleeding on the head.
I would assume the front.
3182, 181's been notified. He'll be in now.
Okay.
You got him buckled in. All right.
His head is not on the cot.
Okay. There's no one else involved or hit?
No.
That's what we're trying to do.
All right,
Tony.
We're not gonna hug you. We're gonna get you back to the ambulance.
Start the crime scene. We need crime scene.
Yep. All right. Wash your hands.
I need something. He shit all over my hands.
All right.
No officers were injured during the incident. The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation is currently reviewing the shooting, and the officer involved has been placed on standard administrative leave pending the investigation.